What you got there, Bobo?
Say, Pet Pet Party.
Pet Pet Party. How old are you, Bobo? How old are you today?
Pet Pet Party.
Say, Pet Pet Party.
Pet Pet Party. How old are you, Bobo? No picking.
Take a picture.
Yeah, Mama's taking video. Can you say I'm 3 years old?
I'm 3 years old.
That's right. That's right. And what did Reese have the other night on your birthday? What did Reese have? Did she have puppies? You gonna go look at the puppies?
Pet is feeling lonely. Try petting their head or something to cheer them up.
Yeah, there's all Reese's puppies.
Puppy.
Yeah, see all Reese's puppies?
Puppy.
Puppies. Hey, Reese, Mama.
Puppy.
Yeah. How many puppies did she have, Bobo?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
No, she had 10, so close.
Try petting their
Close.
head to cheer them up.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye to everybody?
Bye-bye, everybody.
Yep.